Apple regularly notifies users if its system has detected any targeted spyware attack, and it has again just sent out a fresh round of warnings. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Apple has said that it's updated its user experience related to the warning and made it easier to access information. Its notification window tells the recipient that there are actions that they can take now to help protect their data and device. Apple has also published a new support page that details what Mercenary Spyware is and what someone can do if they've been targeted. Mercenary spyware are sophisticated surveillance tools that companies typically sell to state or governments. Apple explained in its page that they're then used to target certain individuals, like journalists, activists, politicians, and diplomats. Mercenary spyware attacks cost millions of dollars and are highly targeted. Most users will never be targeted by mercenary spyware, but they are also difficult to detect and prevent. Apple admitted that its investigations can never achieve absolute certainty, but its notifications are high-confidence alerts that a user has been individually targeted by a mercenary spyware attack and should be taken very seriously. The company says it can't determine who's under attack. Just because someone received the notification doesn't mean their data has already been compromised, but it does mean that Apple detected activity on their device consistent with a mercenary spyware attack. Apple advises recipients to enable lockdown mode to switch on extreme protection for their device. It blocks most message attachments, FaceTime calls, invitations for Apple services, and shared photo albums. The company also advises enlisting expert help, specifically mentioning the digital security helpline offered by the nonprofit Access Now. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.